Alright guys, so as you know, I've started a new series. I've already created episodes 1 and 2. They're up now on my page, so check them out. So what I did is I asked a few of the YouTubers that I follow if they wanted to do a collab with me, and I actually got 5 videos back, and then 2 people said they were going to send me a video, so that's kind of cool. One of the ones that I've been looking forward to is, her name is Kimberkiss, and on her channel, well, I'll let her explain, but, so I'm just gonna watch her video while I'm in my van, and yeah, so as some of you may know, I'm not the greatest with technology, and so I kind of just have her video here, and yeah, let her do the talking.
I was asked to do a collab with an amazing girl here on YouTube. Her name is Ashley Mast. She goes by tootsierollingstone Travels, and she's awesome, you guys. She's so cool. She's so cool. You need to subscribe to her right now.
Kimber. Never mind. Keep going. Keep going, girl.
She sold her house, got a van, and has been traveling for the last 10 months. Who wouldn't want to watch that? Come on. She's been to 28 states in the last 10 months of 2018. How crazy is that? God, I would kill for that. I would kill for that. But, you know, my husband would probably leave me.
Yeah, he's gonna leave you, girl.
Take care of my daughter, and my daughter would think I'm neglecting her, and everyone would go crazy, and my dog would miss me, and yeah, so I couldn't do that. But I am so excited for her because I'm living vicariously through her. I think that's so awesome. If I was like a single woman, this is probably something I would do, because the inner hippie inside of me would just be like,
yeah,
let's go travel, let's get like a Winnebago and like go travel everywhere and see the world, because I would love to do that. I've been to a lot of places myself, but not near as many as she has. So that is amazing, and I wanted to thank you, Ashley, personally for reaching out to me and wanting me to make this video with you. I think it's such an honor, and I am so honored to do this for you. So this is really cool. Just to sum things up, my name is Kimberkiss here on YouTube, and I make all kinds of videos. My goal here on YouTube is literally to show you that you're a creator. You can do anything you want. If you can dream it, you can do it. Believe that all things are possible, because they really are. I love to spread positivity. I love to help people, and I love to grow your mind and like open your mind and keep your mind open. I'm a very psychic person, I believe. I'm very highly sensitive. So I've had a lot of paranormal activities that have happened to me, such as ghosts and things like that. It seems like everywhere I've lived, I've had some kind of activity follow me. So a large part of my channel is paranormal, but there's also a large part that's strictly positivity, which deals with the law of attraction, growing your mind, teaching you how to manifest.
Okay, while she's talking about that, I will say I have been watching her videos, because some of you may or may not know that I'm not really sensitive like that, like paranormal stuff or anything like that. That's never happened to me. But I am really big into the law of attraction, like she said, and manifesting and sending out positive vibes and love. And I try to do that, like with most people. Every night I try to, you know, pick somebody in my life and just say, you know, I wish them the best. I hope that this or this works out for them, whatever goal they're trying to reach or obstacle they're facing. So I did love that about her channel, and she is super positive. And yeah, the whole manifesting, and she has like this cool little notebook that she like keeps everything on track, unlike me with my mess. But alright, let's get back to Kimber.
Which deals with the law of attraction, growing your mind, teaching you how to manifest and stay positive and believe in yourself. So that's basically my channel rolled into a nutshell. So the question she asked me is, what do I know about van life? Well, Ashley, I just started, you know, looking into this kind of thing, and I don't really know that much about it, but I think it's really, really cool what you're doing. I know that people do this kind of thing. A lot of YouTubers that I have watched in the past that do similar videos, but I give them all the props in the world because that is amazing, and it takes a lot of bravery to do something like this, and it's also just so exciting at the same time. Like, who wouldn't love to go and just travel the world? Like,
it's
who
true.
wouldn't? Come on,
true.
tell me
True
something.
story.
Tell me one person who
No,
wouldn't like
there's
it.
none. There's none.
You can't.
I know.
I need to ask her a couple of questions. So, Ashley, the questions that I want to ask you are, to be honest, but which did you prefer? Did you prefer living in your house, or do you prefer this way of living where you are in your van and you're going and traveling and seeing these beautiful places?
Good question, Kimber.
So that's the number one question. Number two question is, how do you get internet service to do your YouTube channel? I'm asking a couple of questions. I hope you don't mind. Third question is, do you like food prep, or like what do you do as far as food goes? How do you keep your food like cold and warm and things like that? Like, how do you cook while inside your van, or you go other places and use their utilities and things like that? What do you do as far as like power for everything? And the last question is, what do you do if there's like a big storm coming and you need to like evacuate your van and go somewhere? Like, where do you usually go? That's the safest. Oh, the last question is, does your family support your decisions and what you're doing? So that's the last one I was just curious. Sometimes our family does, sometimes they don't, so I just thought I'd ask. And that's the last of the questions. So I really wanted to thank you, Ashley, for reaching out to me and asking me to be part of this collab with you. I really feel honored. I'm so glad I've gotten to know you on here.
You're welcome, girl.
I can't wait to grow our relationship further and get to know each other more as friends. And I'm just really, really excited. So keep doing you, girl. Keep rocking on. Keep traveling. I can't wait to see more of your travels. Like, this is just amazing. So I love you guys so much, and if you guys aren't, please go subscribe to Ashley right now. Right now, you won't be disappointed. So I love you, Ashley, and I hope you have an amazing 2019, and I'm so glad I met you. All right, I gotta go, guys, but I love you.
Bye. Bye. Okay, let me answer some of her questions in the least dramatic form possible. Okay, so do I prefer van life over living in a house? Well, to be honest, I love living in my van. I love just being able to get up and go and do whatever I want. The seclusion, I'm all about that. Sometimes it's nice to live in the house, just especially when it's super hot with the dogs, so because they're my number one, so I gotta kind of, them and me is my cat, I gotta keep an eye out on them. And also, as far as internet and power, I talked about that in another collab that I did, but internet, I now have a hotspot on my cell phone, and I have I'm gonna be buying a solar generator soon, so try to test that out. As far as food, girl, I love me some food, but I hate cooking. Like, I hate cooking. So what I do have a rice cooker that my friend Sheena bought me. So I'll do like some rice, and it has like a steamer portion where I can like steam some veggies or whatever. I use it to heat up my water for coffee. But other than that, so I park at Walmart's a lot. So what I do is, like, in the morning when I go in the bathroom, sometimes I'll buy some fruit or junk. I know. Ugh, my life. But other than that, I do eat out a good amount. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. And then on to, oh, so what do I do when there's a storm or something? Girl, I get out of there. Let me tell you. When I was traveling down south and stuff, when the storm started coming, I headed west, and then I went up to Oklahoma, and then there were all these tornadoes coming. I was like, stay there for a while, but then I was out. Yeah. even when the fires were going on here in Northern Cali, when I was staying here with my friend Kim for a little bit longer, and I went to the gas station and I filled up my tank, and I was like, look, seriously, girl, if the fire keeps coming closer, I'm bouncing. I ain't staying around for this. I'm headed north. I was gonna head to like Oregon, Washington, maybe even Canada. I'm out. But so yeah, so that's what I do. I just leave like everything else in my life. Then, oh, my family. Is my family supportive? Well, I mean, I think my family's at that point, me being 33 years old, my family's at that point where they know I'm going to do whatever I want to do, and they can't stop this force. So, I like to think they're supportive. If not, I just, yeah, I don't know. I don't really ask them or talk to them much about it. I know my stepdad and my dad and stuff, like, and like they worry about me and like my safety. But yeah, I haven't had any issues, and yeah, still going strong. But thank you again, Kimberkiss, for sending me a collab or a video. Sorry I couldn't. I tried. I know you tried on your end. It's okay. But sorry I'm so weird. Oh my god. No one's gonna want to collab with me ever again. Well, that's all I'm gonna have to say. But anyway, so make sure you subscribe. Check out Kimberkiss's channel. She has a lot of good stuff. And also, anyone else I've collabed with, make sure I'll link below episode 1 and episode 2, so you guys can check that out. And I just signed up with TubeBuddy, so I'm trying to figure all that jazz out. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, alright, have a good day, y'all.